Just from 8 NCERT chapters of physics, 70% of the theory questions of physics has been asked exclusively from these 8 chapters. So in this video, I am going to show you all the 8 chapters of NCERT physics, from which almost 70% of the questions in your NEET and JEE mains, that is May 3rd NEET exam paper and 2026 JEE papers. If you look down into those question papers, only from these 8 chapters, the majority of the theoretical questions which has been asked in the physics are from this. So for this, what I have done is that for this all 8 chapters, I have designed the beautiful NCERT highlights. I have designed the beautiful NCERT highlights. We can see down those all the NCERT highlights. Look down into the first chapter. Among the 8 chapters, the first chapter which you can see here, that is electromagnetic waves. You can see here directly electromagnetic waves. This electromagnetic waves, whatever you are seeing here, I have highlighted all the important lines which has been tested already in the NEET and JEE papers, which can be tested further in the NEET and JEE papers. So this highlighted lines, whatever you are seeing, these are exclusively which you can expect in your NEET and JEE papers. This is the first chapter, that is electromagnetic waves. Same way, if I go more little down into this one, look into the second chapter. Look into the second chapter, that is dual nature of radiation and matter. The second most the theoretical chapter which can be asked theory based questions in an exam is dual nature of radiation and matter. If you look down into this chapter, even in this chapter as well, I have given all the beautiful NCERT highlights. You can see here all the beautiful NCERT highlights which has been already tested, which can be tested. Direct same lines we are taken out in the exam papers. So don't miss this biggest opportunity. So let's look into the next chapter after this, the third chapter, which from which the direct NCERT lines has been taken in the NEET and JEE papers. So let's go into the third chapter here. We can see here the third chapter list. Yes, that is semiconductors, electronics, that is materials, devices and simple circuits. From this, almost majority of the questions are already from the NCERT directly. You can see the NCERT of this chapter directly, from which the majority of the questions are given. So this is the third chapter from which you can expect a direct theory question from the same lines of NCERT in the final NEET and JEE papers, right? So let's look into the next chapter, the fourth chapter of this. Let's look into the fourth chapter now. Yes, we can look into the fourth chapter here, thermal properties of matter. This is another important chapter from which you can expect the direct theoretical questions in the exams of NEET and JEE, right? So look into the next fifth chapter of this, from which you can expect the NEET and JEE papers. Yes, let's look into the fifth chapter. Yes, so the fifth chapter is, we can see here atoms. Same way the sixth chapter is nuclei. We can see the sixth chapter list, that is nuclei. You can see here directly the sixth chapter name is nuclei, right? Just a second. Yeah, you can see here now the sixth chapter name. I'm going to show you the sixth chapter name, that is nuclei. Same way the seventh chapter, from which you can expect the direct same NCERT lines in your NEET and JEE papers. The seventh chapter name also I'm showing you. This all complete PDF. This complete PDF. This is electro. You can see here magnetism and matter. This is the seventh chapter, and the eighth chapter is the optics. And the eighth chapter is the optics. You can see that PDF also as well. So this complete highlighted PDF, whatever you are seeing here, the eighth chapter is wave optics. So what are the complete chapters which you are seeing? That a complete list of 8 chapters. From this 8 chapters, almost in the NEET and JEE papers, minimum 20 plus marks are recorded. And this 8 chapters, direct NCERT lines. Direct NCERT lines are asked. Direct NCERT lines are asked. So to get this PDF, direct free PDF, you have a link in the description box. To get this PDF, you please join the Telegram channel and get the same PDF, and you can use this for your exam preparation and confirm your 20 marks.